Nobody loves holiday movies more than me. So when it's time to entertain for the holidays, my favorite way to invite my friends over is to watch a holiday movie classic. It's perfect whether you're just entertaining your family or a big group. It's also a really low stress party thing. It's kind of effortless on the host. It's built-in entertainment. Less for you to do. I love to do a red carpet table runner because it gives us that holiday color, a little bit of sparkle for the movies, and they're easy to make. The key to my parties, customization. I want everybody who comes over to get what they want and have a good time. So we start with the most important thing. What are we watching? So a week before, I email my guests 3 or 4 of my top picks. Whichever one gets the most votes wins. My favorite way for guests to customize their food and drink experiences at my house, I provide lots of snacktivities. Snacktivities is an interactive, playful way for your guests to customize their food and drink at your party. Everybody loves flavored fizzy drinks, so I like my guests to be the boss of their own fizz. I set out my SodaStream, which turns plain water into fresh sparkling water in just seconds with the push of a button. SodaStream is so perfect to have at parties or even to bring as a gift to the host, because it's fun for people to connect by making their own custom creations to suit their tastes. I set out all types of flavorings, berries, fruits, herbs, alcohols, so everyone can make their own kind of drink. I'll even put out recipe cards to suggest a drink, like this one, a pomegranate paloma. It's really easy to make. You take a handful of pomegranates and you muddle them. Then I'm gonna add some ice. Now I'm gonna flavor my fizzy water. I'm gonna use grapefruit and lime. Top it with a little tequila. It's a movie party, so obviously we're gonna have popcorn. My favorite popcorn flavor this holiday season is cacio e pepe popcorn. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Now we add the best part, cheese. We're adding Parmesan Reggiano into our popcorn, and popcorn is not complete, obviously, without lots of salt. Just a little bit more black pepper. A great way to display your popcorn at the party is to use your old vases that are normally collecting dust in your cabinets. I take them out, I dust them off, and I fill them up with popcorn. And for your guests with more of a sweet tooth, just add M&Ms and sprinkles to your popcorn for what I like to call reindeer crunch. And so just another great customization tip, a spice rack. Put it out with your popcorn, your guests could make their own flavors. So that's all it takes to throw a fun holiday viewing party. Cheers and happy holidays.
So I have fallen deeply in love with my SodaStream. And I thought of this, I love reusing things that normally collect dust. Like I use the vases for the popcorn. I use my spice rack I love a punch bowl. I don't think anyone uses it. I also love a bundt pan that you maybe use once a year. So we're going to make something today called Finding Rudolph.
Again,
and the reason we're going
about this in the middle of the night. What am I going to do with my bundt pan? I've not used my punch bowl in a decade. All
okay.
right, Mare, take it away.
Oh, okay. So the night before my party, I get up my bundt pan. I'm going to use white cranberry juice because you could see through it. So I'm going to pour the white cranberry juice into the bundt pan. And again, when it freezes, it will keep the flavor in the drink. It won't water it down with ice. So it's a great way. Now, I'm going to add a handful of fresh mint and just 1 cranberry or raspberry for Rudolph's nose.
Oh my
Put it
gosh,
in there.
That is so brilliant.
Now I throw it in my freezer and then magic. This was the one I froze last night. If you could see it, you see 1 little cranberry for Rudolph's nose.
Oh my gosh.
And then I put it in the punch bowl, okay? And then I add my fizzy water from my delicious SodaStream. But I'm gonna flavor it with their raspberry mint syrup, which smells like the holidays. So good.
And so pretty.
And a little touch of cherry. It's so pretty, and I love these little bottles. They're like, I feel like I'm on an airplane. And then I just add it to my beautiful, it makes a sparkle. Can you see how pretty?
It's gorgeous.
Can you see how pretty? And then my guests, because we're being COVID safe, we'll use a ladle. And when my guests come, whoever gets the Rudolph nose wins.